Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning auto-detect workouts on and off on Huawei Fit watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe down from the top of the home screen to open the quick panel. Then tap the settings cog. In the settings menu, tap workout settings. Now tap the toggle to the right of Auto Detect Workouts to turn the toggle on or off. When Auto Detect Workouts is turned on, the toggle will be blue, and when it is off, the toggle will be grey and in the off position. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei tips and tricks.